Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Gaming Pro, DK Cooper. Subscribe, guys. Today we are showing unboxing the New Balance 740s, guys. I got New Balance, guys. So I have him unboxing the New Balance, guys. Let's go unbox, guys. Go subscribe, hit the bell below, guys. We almost to 3K subscribers. We almost to 100K, guys. Give me 100K. And guys, know the other video you guys watch, the new iPhone 17 Pro Max is coming, guys. So I'm so excited for you guys. This new phone is coming out. Yeah, so this is my old phone, the iPhone 16. Yes. So I'm thinking to get the Blue Deep, guys. I'm thinking to get that, and yeah, guys. So guys, today we show the New Balance 740s what I got. So let's go, guys. Go watch. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, right now we have a New Balance, guys. This is so nice, guys. I love it. You guys know 740 is the New Balance, guys. So guess what we got? This color, very nice, very good. Running shoes, you guys know New Balance, the best shoes ever, guys. It's famous, it's very nice now. You guys know. Sponsor from New Balance for giving this for me, guys. If you guys want to give away, I will give away a New Balance shoes. If you guys want to go subscribe to give me 100K or 10K subscribers. And guys, one more thing, iPhone giveaway is coming soon. You know that, and yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. And one more thing, New Balance is very fresh, very nice. When you go outside, you wear your drip stuff. You know, very nice. I love it. It's very nice, very nice. And this one also, very nice shoes, guys. Very nice shoes. I love it, guys. New Balance, the best. You see, very nice, fresh. I love it. Yeah. So guys, go watch my videos. Go subscribe. You guys know I have a lot of unboxing videos, unboxing essentials. So more things coming, more things. You guys know one thing. I got a haircut. Really nice haircut I got. Yeah. Very nice haircut I got. Yes, sir. Be fresh. You know. I was like really messy hair. You know, like this crazy. But yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, and one more thing, the iPhone what I have right now, the 16, it's the best phone still. It's very good. I love it. I have all my stuff here, but I want to upgrade. I want to get a nice phone, like very nice. I have business working. Like I have YouTube stuff to do. So guys, go subscribe here below. You guys know. And you guys, and one more thing, giveaway is coming soon too. The Nintendo Switch, guys. Nintendo Switch 2, guys. If you guys want Nintendo Switch 2, go subscribe, give me 100K subscribers. And yeah, guys. And yes. So, guys, go subscribe, hit the bell below, guys. You guys not comment, go comment right now on my YouTube channel. Go comment all my thing. Get friends, get everyone family here. And yeah, guys. One more thing, guys. If you guys don't subscribe, I'm gonna be happy with you guys. If you did not subscribe, go subscribe right now, guys. And yeah, guys, go follow my Instagram. Go follow my every TikTok. You guys know my bio and below. And yeah, guys. One more thing. People who is coming here, I'm gonna shout out to the CJ. Someone shout out to him. He has a YouTube channel also. And yeah, guys, you guys know. So guys, go subscribe right now. You guys know. Go to my thing. You guys know we're almost there. Almost to 3K, guys. So see you guys in the next video, guys. And yeah, guys, New Balance, very nice shoes, guys. I have different New Balance. I have the other one, the 96 one. Yeah. So guys, see you in next video. Go subscribe, hit the bell below, and see ya next video. Bye guys. Peace.